I'm going to tell you about a completely different topic that many people around the world like to discuss. In today's video, I am going to talk you about our cute pets of cats and rabbits. We can see that many of you love these cute pets, and today both of these cute pets live with you, or at least one pet live with you in the house. I will talk about how these two pets can reduce our stress or depression and give us a happy mood. You know how much fun you have with your pet cat, dog, rabbit, rat, or anyone else when you are at rest in your home. You know it and you already understand how you feel and have a happy mood with your loving pets. It's okay. I will show you some tips on how to keep your cute cats and cute rabbits together. Let's find out what points we must care about to build up friendships with each other. If you can make cat and rabbit friendly, you will definitely be happier and you will be able to control your stress or depression to the maximum due to watching their friendship living. When they make friends, they have more fun playing with each other. Then it will give us more fun. So when you spend time that way happily in your daytime or whatever time you spend with them, it means that your stress or pain is less at that time. Introducing one cat to another rabbit can be a bit challenging to you because cats usually prey on rabbits and harm the rabbit. So usually when a rabbit sees a cat, the rabbit is always upset. So always remember to keep the rabbit's cage safe to protect your rabbit maximum. To make them friendship, cat and rabbit first have to make sure that your rabbit is in a relaxed state of mind. To do that, you can give them something to feed or chew. From time to time, give your cat the opportunity to see your rabbit while rabbit is safely in the cage. In this case, you should make sure that the rabbit's cage is well protected without any harm to rabbit. In the first stage, you have to follow these 3 steps. What are those? As I explained, first, make sure your rabbit has a secure cage. Second, make sure your rabbit is relaxed. Third, opportunity to see each other. Do these 3 steps until the cat and rabbit are familiar. It can be a week or month depending on each other's behavior to get familiar with them. Then after following the above steps and get some results, then you can move on to the next stage. In the second stage, first you have to, when the rabbit is in the cage, allow them to touch each other a little more carefully. You can touch each other by touching the cat's hand first on the rabbit. While the rabbit is in the cage, gradually open the door safely and allow the cat to see the rabbit. In this case, you need to make sure that nothing goes wrong. This is because if the first stage is not successful enough, this step can be very dangerous for the rabbit. That is why you should continue with the first stage until you get a successful result. Assume that the first stage has been done successfully. Continue the door opening steps to follow several times during the day. It may be better to follow 2-3 times a day. After following these steps for some period, you can feel that some improvement in their friendship has begun. You must strictly follow these steps very safely. If you still believe that they have not started a friendship with each other, properly follow the steps we discussed as I explained. Do not proceed to the next step until these steps are successful. If you are confident that they have properly started a friendship with each other, you can start the final stage. Now, take the rabbit out of the cage and give the cat a chance to see the rabbit. The best time to follow the final step is after feeding your cat. This is because cats do not naturally feel aggressive towards rabbits after feeding them. Make sure you stay close to the rabbit. After doing these things for some period, allow the cat to touch the rabbit in the open room. This time also you have to make sure to stay close to the rabbit. After examining their behavior very closely, a little by little, you move away from the rabbit. Take a close look at these steps and follow these steps until you are confident that they have formed a friendship. No matter how comfortable your cat and rabbit are with each other, it is important to continue to monitor their relationship. For best results, allow the rabbit in your home to roam freely, and only when you are at home do you have the opportunity to successfully follow all of the above steps correctly and confidently. With the right preparation, the process of introducing each other carefully and continuous monitoring, you can build a lasting friendship between your cat and rabbit. If you can make this process a success, you may be more than happy to see them having fun. It automatically reduces your stress or depression. I am sure it will go down. I wish you all the best as you work to make the cat and rabbit friendship a success. So, through this video, I think you have learned something about how to build up friendship between a cat and rabbit. Living with a friendly cat and rabbit makes your stress or depression much better than you normally would a day. It greatly helps you to live a happy life. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button and select all to activate notification as soon as my new video is released at once. And click the thumb up button to like this video. Write your thoughts or ideas about this video as a comment below. Thanks for watching till the end of this video. Have a great day.